Welcome back to the Hack Ninja podcast. I'm Galaxia,
And I'm Erin.
and today we're going to be talking about something that's becoming one of the biggest security risks we're seeing right now: accidental data leaks through AI tools and SaaS platforms.
Which sounds like something a hacker would do. But you're saying companies are actually doing this to themselves?
Yeah, we're seeing right now it isn't always like traditional hacking, it's employees using AI tools, SaaS integrations, sharing too much data, and systems connecting to each other in ways security systems don't even realize it.
So what does that actually look like in the real world?
A really common example is employees pasting internal documents or sensitive information into like AI tools to summarize or analyze them. Another one is SaaS integration tools that are traditionally connected through APIs that have excessive permissions. And then suddenly the data is moving between systems with almost no visibility.
So it's not necessarily malicious, it's just risky behavior.
Most of these issues start with convenience. AI tools kind of like the hottest trends right now. They're developed to make work faster. SaaS tools automate everything, and every connection becomes another pathway for data to move around.
And companies probably assume their security tools are catching this.
That's the problem. Most traditional security tools weren't really built for AI and SaaS ecosystems. They monitor networks or endpoints, but they don't really see how data flows between modern cloud apps or AI platforms.
So that's where THN Guardian comes in.
Yes, the Hack Ninja Guardian was built specifically to monitor data movement across SaaS systems and AI environments. It continuously analyzes things in AI-based chat solutions that can be considered risky behavior.
Okay, so what kind of things would it actually catch?
Things like sensitive data being shared through AI prompts or even in SaaS applications like a CRM or a marketing tool that's using AI. Another neat thing is that it stops credential leaks. So if a threat actor tricks an employee to malicious site to enter in their data, bam, it's blocked. Without sharing too much, it is patent pending technology. I designed the product to think like a hacker. It's hosted on premise or in the cloud. It's not your traditional data loss prevention solution. To me, it's a big deal. And so far, we've given over 10 demos, and it does come out at the end of April, early May. So we've added a few more features and designed this in mind with a security concept first mindset. I also haven't slept in years. I feel like from making the book Quantum and AI, The Awakening of Cyber Defense to building this product has kept me awake at night.
We already know you don't sleep. I am always surprised at how functional you are when you barely sleep. This stuff sounds like the kind of stuff most companies wouldn't even know to look for.
Yeah, and the biggest risk today isn't always someone breaking into your system. It really is becoming data quietly leaking out through systems that you've already considered you trust.
That is a little unsettling.
But the key here is visibility. If you can't see where your data is going, you can't stop the problems before they escalate.
So if someone's listening thinking their organization is secure, what should they be asking themselves?
Pretty much a simple question. Do you actually know where your data goes once it leaves your core systems?
And if the answer is not really,
Then it's time to start paying attention to how AI tools and SaaS solutions integrations are moving your data around.
all right. That's today's episode of the Hack Ninja podcast. If you want to learn more about THN Guardian and how it helps organizations detect and stop these kinds of risks, visit our website at thehackninja.com.
Stay curious, stay secure.
And we'll see you next time.
All right, catch you later.